Hello, super scientists. In today's video, we're going to learn how to fill in our Venn diagram using our science notes. So you're going to be following along with Ms. Castillo as she uses her notes to fill in the Venn diagram. So at this moment, I want you to go get your science journal if you have not yet. So please go get your science journal so we can get ready and begin filling out our Venn diagram. Okay, so on this side, we see that it's labeled egg. So this is what we're going to put information that is only for the egg. It's only true for the egg. On this side, we see that it's labeled caterpillar. So this is what we're going to put the information that only applies to the caterpillar. Let's get started. So on our notes, we see that it says stage 1 egg. Something that I see that is different about the egg is that all butterflies start as eggs. This information is different and only true for the eggs. All butterflies start as eggs. What else can we see that only applies to the egg? That's only true for the egg. I see that the eggs are placed on leaves. That's only true for the egg because the caterpillar can move around. So even if they're eating on their little leaves, they can move around and go other places, while the egg stays on the leaves. I see also under our notes for the egg is that they hatch in 3 to 6 days. That's something that's different from the caterpillar because the caterpillar does not hatch. We're going to write they hatch in 3 to 6 days. So these are things that we see are different. That's why they're going on this outer circle. Now let's see, what do we see that's different for the caterpillar? I see in my notes that the stage 2 of the caterpillar is also called larva. So I'm going to put that in my Venn diagram. This stage is also called larva. So that's another name for caterpillar, larva. We have that in our science notes. We studied that. But that's true for the caterpillar stage. So we're going to put it on this side. I also see in our notes that we have it that the caterpillar grows rapidly and it eats a lot. So I'm going to put that in my Venn diagram because the egg does not grow, only the caterpillar grows. So I'm going to write the caterpillar grows rapidly. What else do we see? We see that the caterpillar eats a lot. The egg does not eat because this stage is when the caterpillar has not hatched yet. So it's still inside his egg. He doesn't come out and eat yet. So we're going to write that on the caterpillar side. The caterpillar eats a lot. So these are the things that I see are different about the caterpillar compared to the egg. Let's take a look at some things that are the same for both stages. In our notes, we can see that it says that they are both small. So we're going to write that in the middle of our Venn diagram because this information is true for both stages. I'm going to write both stages are small. Let's see what else is true for both stages. I also see in our notes that for the stage 1 egg, it says that they turn dark when they're ready to hatch. That's for the eggs. And for stage 2 caterpillars, it says that their skin changes as they grow. So I think it's safe to say that they both go through changes with time. So let's put that in the middle. We're going to write both stages change with time. Okay, scientists, so did you guys see how Ms. Castillo used her science notes to fill out the Venn diagram? So we were able to find information that's different for the egg, information that's different for the caterpillar, and things that they have in common or the same.